Okay, new evening, new review. Something else to look at and review as I put on the truck and describe what I see with it, good, bad, or otherwise. Walk through it with you guys and hopefully give you an idea. So, what we're going to walk through tonight is we're going to start looking at the off-the-shelf glass pack dual exhaust system that you can buy through LMC truck for about $220. Okay, so here is the kit. These are the top risers that come off your manifolds, and according to the instructions we go with those pieces, an offset piece, then the glass pack, then the rear exit pipes that come up over the axle. Here is those are the hangers and the clamps to clamp our sections together and to hang things. There are the hangers and the donut rings to bolt it all together and to squeeze it all together. So a couple of things on the kit that it's not explicitly stated, so I assume this was the case anyway. You have to have your old flange that mounted up to your exhaust manifold. So I've got this one. This one's in pretty good shape. This one, yeah, I've seen flatter bananas. So we're gonna have to figure out if I need to heat that and flatten it. It's pretty damn hard, and I'd imagine if I tried to pound it to flatten it, I would probably fold these ridges in, and sealing it would become an even bigger problem than it might be if I just bolted it on like that. We'll see. Let's take a look at that. But again, this is the glass pack set. You can see those there. There is no crossover pipe on the instructions in the kit, so if I want that, I'm going to have to hire somebody to fab that in. The kit it says the pipes are aluminized steel. They look to be in good shape, and the sheen on it is right. And again, what I'm replacing, here's the original exhaust. Just pulled it in out of the rain and cut off the old pipes here so that I could get to my plate, my adapter plate to my manifolds. This is what was put on the truck by another guy back in the day. He didn't have the bends up over the axles right. He didn't have the mufflers set right. This one is cocked up like that. That one's flat. They don't lay straight under the truck. And he ran the exhaust out the back rather than the stock exit underneath that. So we haven't been happy with this for a while, and so that's what's kind of precipitating making this change. Okay, end of the night check-in. So let's take a look at what progress we've made.
She's just landing real pretty, Jay.
Yep, she is. So what we've got is
we're going to put pipe extensions on so we can blow it, and they'll be turned down so that they can
blow it down off of the paint. Yeah. So we got one side on pretty snug up at the header. The other side where we have our exhaust, there it is, where we have our heat riser right there. I need a gasket on top of the heat riser to the exhaust manifold that I don't have. So the bolts are on and everything's there, but we're going to have to drop that back down and check that out. Overall, I would say the exhaust kit is pretty good success. Now, it advertises that it's made for the long bed, and it is, but I still had to take 5 inches off of 5.5 inches off of this side, and ended up being about 8 inches off of this side of our intermediate pipe here to get the exhaust, the glass packs landed in the right spot and get everything looking good all the way out to the back end there. So it's just hung with wires right now. We don't have the hangers on everything, but got it laying down, looking really nice. It's the stock exit location, so the exhaust is coming out right here. We'll probably get some, as Terry was saying, some chrome downturn pipes to dump the exhaust down and away from the yes, our wonderful, beautiful tropical turquoise paint. But I'm gonna say, so far, really good reviews on this product. I really think the piping is good. It's nice and clean. It's got a good finish on it. We've got pretty good welds and seals across everything. We'll see how it goes when the hangers hang on. But for tonight, that's what we've got. So for tonight, so far so good. Good luck on your projects, and wish us luck on mine. Thanks.